Hello students, my name is Shivam Jajoria and I am your maths teacher from class 7th, and today we are starting chapter number 1, Introduction of Integer. Before starting this chapter, we are discussing about some definition which is related from this chapter. So we are starting from the numbers. Some numbers are coming before starting the integers. First one is that natural number and second one is that whole number. What is the definition of natural number? You are all know about the natural number, that is continuous number beginning from 1 are called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Continuous series are going, that is the natural number. But except 0. Okay. In the whole number, the set of natural number which are discussing about the previous definition, that is the natural number. The set of natural number and 0 together form the set of whole number. Okay. Whole number consists natural number and 0 also. So whole number can be created. Whole number starting from 0 and 1 and 2, that are the natural numbers. So we are also telling about that whole number consists of 0 and natural number. Okay. Now next one is the integer definition. The set of whole number and their opposite together form the set of integer. Integer is a complete number, not a decimal numbers. Integer is that number which are whole number and opposite of whole numbers. We are saying that scale, they are the integers. That is 0, that is the positive integer, and that is the negative integer. Negative integer such as minus sign, positive integers such as plus sign or not a sign. Okay. It's not need a plus sign, but it is a plus integer, yeah, positive integer. Now next one we are discussing about the absolute value. What is absolute value? Absolute value is that its value of an integer is the value of the integer irrespective of sign. Absolute value, we are saying some example that is the mode of 6. What is the mode? Mode of any number is the absolute value of that number. 6 is 6. Okay, that is the plus 6 and answer is also plus 6. But when we are giving minus 6 in this mode, the result is also a plus 6. Why it is converting in the plus sign? Because the absolute value of this minus 6 is 6. Okay, so the answer will be 6. We are comparing some example based on this absolute value. Minus 6 in this mode and plus 6. Comparing both, minus 6 is converting into the plus 6 and the plus 6 is always plus 6. Then both sides are same. So we are telling that both are same or equal. Now second one is different. Minus 13 is in the mode and plus 9 is here. So we are saying that 13 and it's plus 9. Which one is greater? 13 is greater. So that is the difference between absolute value and real value. Okay. Now we are saying that addition of integer. What is the addition of integer? It's just a simple plus between two number. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, negative number -2 -6 है ना. The addition of negative number is -2 and -6, it's -8. Both positive and negative numbers we are adding, +2 or +-4, plus minus is minus, +2 is here, and 2 - 4 it's -2. What we are doing in that sign? So we are saying in the sign convention. Sign convention is that multiplication of two sign is converting in the third sign. That two sign is multiplied together, and the third sign is coming here, which is same or different both. Plus plus multiplying in both, the answer will be plus. Plus and minus multiplying, the answer will be minus. Minus and plus multiplying, the answer will be minus. Minus and minus multiplying, the answer will be plus. Now after that we are discussing about the BODMAS. What is the BODMAS? BODMAS is the brackets like that. It's a type of bracket: curly bracket, square bracket, normal bracket. Okay, so first one, B means bracket, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, or S means subtraction. You all know about that term, which are division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now next is one example based on the BODMAS. That is the square bracket, normal bracket, 2 + 8 - 5 into 8 divided by 2, and square bracket +3. That is your equation or question which are solving based on the BODMAS. First we add both the number, and first we solve the bracket solutions, bracket in bracket. So we are solving the B, 2 + 8 - 5. First we are adding both the numbers, that is becoming the 10, and -5 is as it is, into 8 as it is, divided 2 as it is, and +3 as it is. Now next one we solving the minus. 10 - 5 is 5 into 8 divided by 2. Now next bracket is solving. This bracket is completely solved, then this bracket is open. Now second bracket is open, solved in these brackets. 5 into 8, divided sign is coming, so we are solving like that, divide 2. Now cutting that integers which are coming in the same tables like that, 2 4 = 8. Now next one is that 5 into 4 plus 3. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 3, and that is becoming in the 23. Now we are solving that. Next BODMAS example in your copy, taking any questions and solve by the BODMAS property with the use of bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now next one we are discussing some properties: closure property, associative property, commutative property, and distributive property in the next session. But before discussing in the next session, I am explaining these properties in this session, and you are learning this session very cleverly, because when you are know about that all property and definition, then you are solving chapter number 1 easily, before that you are not solving chapter number 1 is easily. Now we are discussing some properties like that. First, closure property. Now second is associative property. Third one is the commutative property. Fourth one is the multiplicative inverse. Fifth one is the multiplicative inverse. Zero property, like that. Now we are discussing about this all the properties and their phenomena. You will learn all the properties by follows your notes and understand that all things by the notes and these videos, and solve the chapter number 1, your questions and doubts. And whenever you are not understand what is going on the chapter number 1, then comment on this video after completing these videos. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.